In front of me is INFINIX HOT 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard and G-word. Over here go into Theme and tap on Show More. This way you can see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images like that one, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on and tap Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed, but you can always go back into the same settings, but this time select this plus icon, that one, under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then click on Done, enable all disable keyboarders, and when you're ready, just apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!